beautiful are these? How beautiful are these? So cute. Oh my god, that's like from another planet. Fanka. So these are the leggings. It looks like they could fit me. These are the joggers, which are like pet hair free joggers or something like that was the name of them. Then I have, oh, this, the tone. I love the color of this, like so beautiful. So if you want to try on, then click like and comment, and I'm going to give you try on haul in part 2. And these were, oh, these were the leggings, like a split end leggings. Yeah, these are really cute as well.